Hi, Stefen the BMW DIY guy. I'm doing something a little bit different today. When I'm not doing projects on my car, I'm frequently out riding my motorcycle. I have a Suzuki GSX-R 1000, which is an amazing sport bike, let me tell you. And I've run into a really common problem. I was riding the other day and I looked down and my speedometer wasn't working. Or it thought I was doing 200 something miles an hour, which is not possible. So, the speed sensor is a very common thing to fail over time, and my bike is a few years old. So, I wanted to show you how to replace this sensor. Alright, let's go out to the bike. Okay, here we are out of the bike. Your speed sensor is right here. And it's really too bad that its connection is up here underneath the tank, because if you were able to disconnect it right here, or if the plug was right here, we could make this change in literally about 30 seconds. But your sensor is here with a very simple Torx bit connecting it, and the connector is all the way up here underneath the tank. So I'll show how to take your seat off, how to lift your tank, and then how to get to this sensor. And it's all can be pretty straightforward and easy to do. Okay, so the first thing to do is going to be to remove the two bolts that's holding your seat down. You have a bolt on either side. I'm using a driver with a 225 Torx bit in it, and it will just come off. The other thing that I've got going on right now is I also have front and rear stands for my bike. I've got it up on the rear stand right now just to help, so the bike will stand up straight and you can see it better than if it was leaning over on its kickstand. You can do it with the kickstand, that's not a problem. Then it'd just be a little bit harder to see. So I've got it up on my rear stand right now. Okay, so the seat's off. We'll just set that aside. Be sure to put the bolts in a safe place. Now the next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to lift the tank and straighten the front wheel out. You've got two Torx up here, up at the top as well, and then the tank will lift up. So we'll get that next. So let me get out the right Torx bit for that.